Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to manually enter a date and time on your Nintendo Switch. So if it seems wrong or something like that, or you want to adjust it for daylight savings, maybe you're disconnected from the internet, you can go to System Settings, scroll on down under the left and go to System, go to the right, scroll on down under here, go to Date and Time. Current date and time is this. Select this. And this should be on by default. It says Synchronize Clock via the internet. We have that turned on. Periodically acquire the correct date and time from the internet. We can turn this off. Then we can change the time zone under here to whatever we want. And then we go to date and time. And we can adjust this to whatever we want. And then you can go to OK and apply it. And it should be applied to your Nintendo Switch. So I'm just going to go to Synchronize Clock via the internet. And that should adjust for daylight savings as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.